Hello, everybody. I'm back. It has been a long time. I understand, but I've been very depressed, so I'm back. And today we are going to be doing a Wicked Witch transformation. I've done this before a couple times, as some of you might know, but some of you might not. So, time to just start. I will say my skin is looking disgusting. I have blue hair dye in each and every one of my blackheads on my forehead. So those look really good and cute. But yeah, okay. To start, I'm gonna go with my Mayron Color Cuts. Man, this brings back memories. I already prepped my skin with moisturizer off camera. You know, I wet all of my sponges, even though I kind of should have known that I'm not gonna use a sponge with green paint. You know, I should have been a little more wise than that. So, you know, how is everyone doing? It's been a long time since I filmed. It's been like 2 months. I have been not well. But I have also been getting really better. So, man, this looks blue, kind of. It definitely has a little blue tone in it, if you ask me. Oh, I'm also wearing my Defy Gravity hat because I feel like it's appropriate for this situation. I'm gonna have a lot of fun cleaning this out of my ears later. What powder should I use? That's right, the Laura Mercier. Thanks, Conrad. We're gonna do this. I'm gonna take my AOA sponge because it's the most expendable. See, the freaking powder's getting everywhere, or the paint is getting everywhere. So, you know, it's kind of funny because, like, I used to film in this pot when I started my YouTube channel. You might remember my second talking video ever called Denaming App, which was one of the worst videos I've ever done because I kept holding the mirror in front of my face and you couldn't even like see what I was doing. So I'm basically really good at my technique. I've honestly not even really worn makeup this past 2 months. Not very often. I'm just not really doing good, you know? I'm getting better. But, you know how it is. Once fall starts, my time will come and my final form will be achieved. I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette, into Daddy. Disgusting! Oh my gosh, you know guys, I started watching Pose, the FX show about the ballroom scene in the 80s. One of the best queer, like pro-queer, pro-trans, pro-black things I've ever seen in my life. It's like honestly inspiring. That's like kind of what helped me get out of my little funk is watching Pose and seeing all those trans women and bisexual people and sex workers and people of color kind of doesn't apply to me at all. But seeing those people be uplifted and looking beautiful on stage or not stage, camera and stuff, and just having those opportunities really inspired me, and I really love Pose for that. So yeah, if you get a chance, I would strongly recommend watching it. It's phenomenal. If you notice, I'm taking the contour down into my eyes. That's gonna, first of all, it's gonna serve as an eye base for my eyeshadow, but also deepen my temples up so it makes it look cooler. I'm gonna contour the crap out of my chin. Wow, you kind of, I mean, honestly, don't even lie about it. You want what I have. Like, you really can't deny that I'm the baddest. I'm actually gonna go into a shimmer from the Sephora Pro palette. It's at times like these that I wish that I had that candy apple from the Jeffree Star summer collection. The Supreme Frost, that's like dark green and literally the most gorgeous thing on the planet. I'm using this tiny eyeshadow brush just to pack on some color. Okay, and then I'll take my foundation paddle brush into the shade Social Blade and use that to highlight. Anyone who watches Pose, tell me who your favorite character is. My favorite character, I hate to love her, but Elektra Abundance is my favorite character. Like, her story arc is wild you know? And she's also just hysterical. She's hysterically funny. And, like, also me. Like, if you watch Pose, you know that me and Elektra are, like, basically the same person. And obviously, Little Poppy is the cutest person on the planet. He is so freaking adorable. I love him. Yes, Mama. Yes. Gag her. Slay her. Sipping on that true tea, hunty. I live. Yes, Mama. Yes. Drag her. Slay her. Who is she? That is one of the funniest videos ever. It's like freaking Miranda Lambert or something. Why am I so good at this? Like, honestly, Jeffree Star wants what I have, if we're being real. The news came out today that Nicki Minaj might stop her music career to raise a family. And like, honestly, it's what she deserves. And everyone's like, oh no, Nicki, but like, let her, support her in all of her endeavors. Not just the ones that benefit you. Okay. Now comes my favorite part. I'm gonna take a 505 into that dark green contour shade and just go ham. And just so you know, this shade, Social Blade, that's all. I used all of that at the musical that I did this original look for at my old high school. I am so good at makeup. Like, it's crazy. Oh, you know what? I forgot to do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna finish this green color and then go to do my eyebrows. Okay, eyebrow time. Going into my dip brow mixed with a Wet n Wild paint pot. I mean, kind of uneven, but she's a witch. So are we shocked? We shouldn't be. Oh, wait, okay, that's not that bad. Let me powder that real quick. I'm gonna go into black. Same brush. I am so good at this. We're gonna do a glossy black. I'm gonna use this Smashbox because it's all dried out. And I'm gonna mix the gloss into it. So it's just this e.l.f. gloss that I got. Oh man, the crust is real. Ooh, kinda good. Kinda really good, actually. I think the eyes need a little bit more darker though. Could take this black shimmer. Ooh. That is so much better than the James one. Oh, it's so good. Oh, you know what? I need to do a lash line. Okay, perfect. Mascara time. Just use some roller lash. Okay. And now I made these lashes the other day. And I'm about to put them out to the test. They are Kiss Brazier, my obvious favorite. Talk about them all the time. And then those generic ones that Elise gave me, which are gorgeous. You know what's funny? I have Defying Gravity stuck in my head now. Thanks, Obama. Really makes my teeth look really good. Going to my going to my bad count bang. Spruce these girls up a little bit. Okay, guys. That is the look all complete. Do you like these sirens? They sound so good. Honestly, this is extremely fun. Anyway, happy freaking fall, everybody. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.